Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best socket wrenches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 145-piece socket set. The Amazon Basics 145-piece socket set is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable and versatile set of tools. The set includes 145 pieces, all of which are made with a chrome vanadium forged body for added torque, strength, and durability. The quick release switch and reversible mechanism make it easy to operate, and the full polished chrome finish, socket and wrench provide anti-corrosion protection. The set combines the most popular tools for easy accessibility and is of high quality. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WORKPRO 3-piece ratchet set. The WORKPRO 3-piece ratchet set is a durable and versatile tool set that is perfect for home maintenance, garage, DIY, or professional car repair. Made of high-quality chrome alloy steel, this 3-piece 72-tooth ratchet handle package is available with 1 4-inch, 3 8-inch, and 1 2-inch drives. The ratchet head reversible 72-tooth gear only needs a 5-degree swing arc to operate, making it faster and more efficient. Additionally, the quick release button and reversible ratchet lock make it easy to replace the socket, adjust the positive and negative direction of the ratchet wrench, and tighten or loosen the bolt efficiently. The ergonomic rubber handle is made of tri-material design's anti-slip and reduces hand fatigue, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. At number 3, we have the CRAFTSMAN 120-tooth ratchet CMMT8211. The CRAFTSMAN 120-tooth ratchet is designed for superior performance and convenience. Its gunmetal chrome finish provides excellent rust resistance, ensuring durability over time. The innovative 120-tooth dual pawl mechanism offers 3 times better access in tight spaces, allowing you to reach those tricky bolts with ease. With the quick release feature and reversing lever, you can operate it smoothly with just one hand, making your tasks quicker and more efficient. Plus, it meets or exceeds ASME specifications, so you can trust its quality and reliability for all your projects. At number 2, we have the Erwachte 3-in-1 ratchet handle. Introducing the Erwachte ratchet handle, a versatile tool that combines 3 different drive sizes in one convenient design. Made from high-strength chrome vanadium steel, this full-polish ratchet is built to last and provides excellent durability. The 72-tooth ratchet allows for greater torque, ensuring a firm grip on nuts and bolts with just a 5-degree arc swing. With its reversible design, you can easily change direction without removing the socket from the fastener. Whether you're working on home maintenance, auto repair, motorcycles, or electric vehicles, the Erwachte ratchet handle is the perfect tool for the job. It's a practical choice that offers convenience and efficiency, making your tasks easier and more efficient. Plus, it makes a great gift for Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, and Valentine's Day. And finally, at number 1, we have the Neiko 03117A 1-2-inch ratchet wrench. Neiko ratchet wrench is a versatile tool designed for heavy-duty work. Its chrome vanadium steel construction ensures durability and torque ability. The 100-tooth mechanism allows for efficient operation with a minimal 3.6-degree swing per revolution, ideal for tight spaces. The dual-direction ratchet offers a convenient 1-finger flip switch for quick direction changes. The quick release feature securely locks sockets in place, preventing falls during use. The 10-inch long handle with an ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue, making it perfect for various maintenance tasks. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.